Very good morning traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. So today we were on live YouTube channel live stream and we have shown you the performance of the Bank Nifty using our indicator MST Secret 2.0. So it has given buy entry and sell entry. In both the side we have got the good profit. So let me show you, because in that video it was a 1 hour length video, so sometime the volume will not be there. I have muted sometime, so that's why I wanted to record one video again. So now by default I have made these settings. Whenever you want to trade, what you have to do, just to disable this and enable first buy and first sell. Okay, and keep your stop loss to tiny 2 and tiny 2 SL. That's all. No other settings you have to do. So you can keep in 1 minute time frame, 2 minutes time frame, 5 minutes time frame, whichever you want you can keep it. So now whichever side it gets activated, that side you have to trade, right? If buy activated, don't go for sell. If sell activated, don't go for buy. That's all. So now sell activated, now we have to enable the sell target and remove the first buy and first sell, first buy and second sell. But though it has given exactly first target, it has achieved. Wait, I show you. In buy also we got the target hit, in sell also we got the target hit. But what we are telling, if buy activated, don't go for sell. Book only one profit one day, that is enough for you. Clear? So that's why we are not encouraging you to do more number of trades again and again. So hope it is clear. Now see, perfectly we got sell activated, all the targets hit, again buy activated, first target exactly done. See the high 44,117 and our stop first target 44,115. See the low, first target entry 44,032 and our entry 44,045 and low made was 44,032. Perfect low. See the high 44,399 and our entry 44,388. Exactly both the side we got the target hit. What else you want? Though the market was not moving either side properly and we got our target hit. So this is the accuracy of our indicator. So whoever wants to take trade in this market, and if you don't want to lose from in this market, there is no other opportunity than subscribing to our indicator. Thank you all. Bye bye. If you are not having subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe and watch. Thank you. Bye bye. Wish you all happy profitable day ahead.